the deserts of the Southwest, we made our way east to New England to visit Maine. We spend a month or two each year in Maine, and it's a spectacular place. Maine's got more coastline than the rest of the continental United States combined. However, there's more to Maine than just the coast. While the coast is spectacular, it's also got great lakes, waterfalls, vast forests, and mountains to explore. This is Farmington, located in the middle of the state, in the foothills of the mountains. In addition to being home of the University of Maine at Farmington, it's a postcard picture image of what a classic New England town would look like. Small, quaint. To the northwest of Farmington is Highway 43. It follows the Temple Stream as it meanders to the north and passes through the town of Temple. Not much of a town, really. There's a post office and a town hall. Outside of Temple, once the pavement ends, you'll find our family's camp. 36 acres of pure paradise located on the Drury Pond, which would be called the lake in Colorado.
On my head, chest on my chest. Be my lover, yeah, be my best friend. I will wait on your border until you will let me in. Hand on my head, chest on my chest. To the sound of voices and of drums, I will show you how the West was won. We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll search through the clouds. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, today we're headed up Cadillac Mountain road bike.
With our windows down, we couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll wait for the sound. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Finishing up the Park Loop Trail after going up Cadillac. Decided to hang a right, do the 27-mile Park Loop Road. If you follow the Sandy River north from Farmington, in about 45 minutes drive, you get to the Saddleback ski area. Saddleback's been closed for the last few seasons, which is kind of a shame. It's really a great ski area. On the way there, there's a small wayside park called Small Falls, which makes for a great stop and a swim when the weather's warmer.
We started a family, you love me still. We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll search through the clouds. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So Katie and Hoku left for Camden. They're there for a couple days to get dentists and doctors and visit friends. So I'm taking that opportunity to spend the last van trip here going out to New Hampshire, more specifically the White Mountains.